What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube account to your Steam's account. So first, you need to install the Steam application, and after installing the Steam application, just simply open it via login into your Steam account. And after that, on the right side at the top, you will see your profile icon. Click on that and then click on View My Profile. After clicking on View My Profile, your profile will open or your profile window will open from here on the right side. You need to scroll down a bit and then click on videos. After clicking on videos on the right side, here you can see the option to link YouTube account. Click on that and then from here you need to click on access your YouTube videos, and after that you need to enter your YouTube account or the email that you are using for YouTube, and after that it will connect your YouTube account to your Steam community. And this is how you can link your YouTube account to Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.